In this week's WeBuyCars Car Dash, we gave our trio a virtual budget of 100,000 Rand. And to make this challenge interesting, they only have 5 minutes to make their pick from our massive selection of well over 1,000 vehicles.
This week's choice is the Suzuki Splash. What a gem of a vehicle. Not only is this vehicle reliable and affordable, it'll get you from point A to B in a dash.
Today I have chosen for 100,000 Rand budget an MG 1.5 style. Okay, this is a stylish hatchback, very light on fuel and still has that MG style. And this is a rare find.
So today with my 100,000 Rand, I chose the always reliable 2015 Ford Fiesta 1.6 TDCi. It's like my father always said, a student in a Fiesta, die altyd sy beste.
No matter the budget, find your next car today and visit any of our countrywide WeBuyCars warehouses. What would you pick if you had 100,000 Rand?